Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ClickMagick tracking settings for affiliate traffic step by step clearly. Log into your ClickMagick account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Tracking Links section on the left-hand menu. Click on Tracking Links to view your existing links. Identify the tracking link whose settings you want to back up. Select the checkbox next to the link. After selecting the link, look for the More Options button. Click on More Options, then choose Export. A download prompt will appear on your screen. Select your preferred file format for the backup. Confirm your download and save the file to a secure location. Next, return to the Tracking Links section. If you want to back up multiple links, repeat the selection process. For each link, choose the same export options to ensure consistency. Now let's back up your overall tracking settings. Navigate to the Settings section in the left-hand menu. Click on General Settings to review your current configurations. Take notes of the important settings, such as tracking pixels and domains. For additional tracking options, move to the Tracking Options tab. Document any custom scripts or configurations you may have added. Once you've noted all critical settings, open a document to save this information. Label the document clearly for easy identification in the future. Regularly update your backup file as you make changes to your links or settings. Now you have a comprehensive backup of your ClickMagick tracking settings. Ensure you store all files and notes in a safe and accessible location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.